Welcome to Cryptus Cyber Security YouTube channel. Today, we will learn about audio steganography through a Windows tool. So, steganography is the art of hiding a document inside another document or file. That can be audio, video, image. Today, we will learn about the audio steganography. So, the tool which we will use is Deep Sound. It is a very popular audio steganography tool. So to download it, first you have to search Deep Sound and you can click on the first link to download it. Now, I have already downloaded it. Now we will just open the Deep Sound. So here is the interface of Deep Sound. So first is open carrier files. This is the file where we'll add the audio file in which we want to embed the document or a secret text file. So here is this. Now I will locate my audio. Here is my audio and I will add it to the Deep Sound carrier audio file. Now I will select my secret file. Here you can see it add secret, and now I will select my secret file. My secret file is in my documents. As you can see, here is my secret file and I have added the secret file here. Secret files, and as you can see here it is showing the whole location or whole path of the secret file. Now I just have to click on this tab, encode secret files. Now I will put a password here, 1234, 1234. So if anyone wants to try to encode a secret file or to decode a secret file, we will have a password security to protect it if a steganography gets publicly available. Now, what if someone sent us a already encrypted or already steganographic audio? Now, we will just click on that audio in which the file is already hidden and open it. Now, as you can see, it is asking for password. 1234. We will simply write the password, and here you can see our secret text file is decoded from the audio file. Now we will extract the secret file and it is saved into the location. Now we will simply open this location and see if it has saved as audio file or not. As you can see, here is our audio file. Sorry, here is a secret file that is decoded from the audio file. So this is all about audio steganography, and this is the tool that we use for audio steganography. We can also change the, as you can see, here it is MP3 and here it is WAVs to lower the suspicion of the public. So we use this tool to do the audio steganography very frequently. It is a great tool. Thank you.